Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's show, we're going to look at iMovie on iOS. iMovie's been around for a really long time. It started out on the Mac, and nowadays it's a fully fledged iPad app with a whole host of features built in. It's free and you can download it from the App Store. And even if you aren't necessarily going to ever create a full-length feature film, I would highly recommend that you check it out, because iMovie has a whole bunch of features which allow you to cut and edit video very quickly and easily, making those quick shots that you film on your iPhone even better. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a trailer with iMovie, because trailers are a great way to combine multiple clips together to convey something to somebody else. In this example, I've recently renovated and redecorated my house, and my grandmothers would love to see it. But thanks to the pandemic, it's a little difficult to go and see them and show them everything. So instead, I'm going to combine all the clips together into a trailer so that they can see all the hard work that my dad's done and what the end result looks like. So let's get started and make a trailer. First thing I'm going to do, of course, is open iMovie on my iPad here. Now, because I haven't launched iMovie on this iPad before, it's giving me some helpful tips to lead me in so that I know how to get started. I'm just going to tap Continue. Now I have my project screen. If you've used iMovie before, this will be populated with any projects that you've previously created. Up in the top left, we have an extended menu area where I could go ahead and import a project. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and tap Create Project. Now here I get to choose what kind of project I want to create. I could do a full-length movie, which can actually be any length. It could be anything from 3 seconds to 3 hours. Or I'm going to go ahead and create a trailer. Now here we have a whole variety of different kinds of trailers available. If I scroll left, then you can see that there's things like adrenaline and Bollywood and even fairy tales. And if we go to the right, then we can see there's romance, there's scary, and superhero. Now, underneath each of these, we can see the number of cast members, in this case 2 to 6, and the length of the trailer, 59 seconds. But the best part of this is you can actually go ahead and preview this. So now I've had a look at my trailer and I can see what it's like. I can choose to go ahead and tap Create in the top right. Of course, you could go ahead and preview any number of different trailers, but I'm quite happy with superhero. So now I'm in my project. On the left, I've got my preview and I can tap play at any time. And on the right, I've got my outline. Now, the outline isn't a bullet point list of different things with indentation to indicate what happens when. It's the metadata of your show. So I can tap into the movie name field and I can rename it. Now, as you can see, I'm changing my movie name here to Redecorating, changes the text on the left in my preview. And here I can also go ahead and remove cast members. Now, in this case, I do indeed have my dad, but I'm going to rename his role. He's not also known as the Navigator Man, he is the Decorator Man. And then there's me. And I'm going to delete the also known as here. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and change the gender that I identify as, but I'm quite happy with everything as it is. Now I can change my studio name, and I'm going to go with Orchard Films. I'm sure my family will appreciate that. You can also change your logo style, and there's a few different ones, which you might have spotted if you were playing around with the previews of the different options. Now, if I tap on Street Lamp, then you can see that it's changed what I'm seeing here, and if I tap play, you'll see approximately what this looks like.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. all of our members get access to brand new up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.